Hello everyone. In previous video, I have discussed about the concept of free space optical networks and what are the roles and factors and challenges faced by the FSO and why we need the FSO concept and all. So in this video, I'm going to present about the concept of Li-Fi technology. Li-Fi technology means light fidelity technology. So, light fidelity is a transmission of data through illumination, where we are going to sending the data through an LED bulb that varies us in intensity faster than the human eye. It is based on the light, and it is somewhat similar to the Wi-Fi, but few characteristics has been varied. So here in this Li-Fi light fidelity, we are going to transmit the data with the help of the light. So here the data is delivered through light in terms of only the digital like ones and zeros. So here the pictorial representation will clearly explain you about the Li-Fi fidelity. So here this is the bulb is the Li-Fi where it is connected to the internet, and in the receiver dongle there will be an photo detector and the amplifier process. So actually the block diagram of this Li-Fi consists of the in the transmitter part it will have the source and the driver element and the transmitter. So in that case of driver element is used to convert the signal from one form to the another form, and in the receiver part there will be a dongle which consists of the photo detectors. It will detect and again convert the signal back, and amplifier is going to boost up the signal. After that the signal will be received and displayed on the screen. So here the data is carried by the light. So here the LED lamp is most suggestly used with for the purpose of signal processing, which can able to stream the data embedded in the light, and at the same time it is working at the high ultra high speed to the photo detectors. The receiver dongle that can convert the tiny changes in the amplitude into the electrical signal, and which is converted back to the data streams and transmitted to the computer or any other mobile devices. So the history of the live fibers, the technology which has introduced in the year of 1990s like Germany, Korea and Japan, those countries have discovered the light can also play an role to carry out the informations, and Professor Harald has from the University of Edinburgh had discovered this, that the light has the potential ability for making a proper communication, which was demonstrated in the year of 2012. And while implementing the Li-Fi technology, as I said before, the three important sub amplifiers are emitter, RF driver and power supply. So emitter we are going to transmit the signal, and RF driver is used to converting the signals from one form to another, and also the power supply is very important. If there is a no power supply, automatically the bulb will not get turned on. So if it is not at all on means the data also can't able to transmit the signals. So how we are assembling the bulb means this bulb is placed on any dielectric medium, and so this dielectric medium will serves for the two purposes. One is for the waveguide and another is one is for the electric field. So waveguide means it is going to guide the waves how it is going to propagate it in the channel, and the concept of RF drivers is already I said it is used to convert the electrical signals into an RF power that went from to in another form, and how Li-Fi works. So this is the representation. This is a pictorial representation describing about the Li-Fi. So this is the LED. LED will consist of the anode and cathode. So I need not go more deep about this LED structure because it is a separate topic which will has its own structures of LED and working and all. So I'm simply explaining you how LiFi is work with help of the LED only. So the LED will have the two ends, when one end is anode and another one is cathode. I hope you all heard the name anode and cathode in your way physics. So here this LiFi is very simple, and this LED is on when we are transmitting the digital data as one. So whenever the data received bit is when, the light will get turned on. For a zero, the light will be turned off. So likewise, the data will be transmitted. So here the LED can be switched on and off quickly, which will gives a very good opportunities for transmitting the data. So hence only we are choosing this LEDs, and a controller that codes the data into this LED. So this is one thing. And we are comparing the LiFi with the Wi-Fi technologies. We all know about the Wi-Fi and usage, all those things. So just I am comparing the LiFi with Wi-Fi parameters, based on the parameters like speed, range, density, security, and device to device connectivity, and reliability, and obstacle interferences. So when comparing all those things, the major parameters are supporting the LiFi technologies as a very good way. And the few applications of LiFi is, it is used in many modern medical instruments, and it is using in the aircraft, and also in petroleum or chemical planets. For security also, we have came across the mini films, the like lasers, and the light will be used for security purpose of protecting any historical things. So it is also used for the GPS and underwater communication. So these are the many applications is involved in the LiFi technologies. Though, and the major advantages are, it will provide a larger bandwidth and high efficiency, and more easily availability and high security, and thousands and millions of street lamps can be converted into the LiFi spot, and no license is needed. We can technically call this LiFi technology as a green IT. And lightning points can be used as an hotspots for making a communication between the end users. And the limitations in this, only the major limitation in this LiFi technology is this LiFi does not work in the dark places. So it is a very big drawback when we are comparing this LiFi with the Wi-Fi, and the researchers have been working on this drawback to make a LiFi as a very good technology. So this light cannot passes through the objects. The interference from the external sources like sunlight or normal bulbs, or any other materials in the path of the transmission will also corrupt or interrupt the communication. So high installation cost on the VLC systems also. So these are the limitations, and the future developments in the LiFi is, it is efficient, and also it is one of the emerging technology which is going to be quickly implemented in the upcoming generations mobile technologies. And it can be also used in the airwaves, and it leads to the LiFi for a very brighter, cheaper, and greenet IT futures. So these are the concepts involved, and advantages and disadvantages of LiFi technology. Thank you.